Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam inside error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. Handling internal parts while still hot may result in injury. Open the front cover. Remove the drum unit using the handles marked in green. Place the drum unit on scrap paper. Be careful not to touch the surface of the belt. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Reinstall the drum and toner into the machine. Close the front cover. On the touchscreen, press the red X. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.